In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Claude Sonnet 4 in VS Code. We'll go from installation to prompting, inline edits, and an optional autopilot style workflow, so you can get AI help right where you code. First, make sure Visual Studio Code is installed. If you don't have it yet, download it from the official website, run the installer for your operating system, and launch VS Code when it's done. Next, install the Claude extension. In VS Code, open the extensions view with Ctrl+Shift+X, search for Claude or Anthropic, and install the Claude Code or Sonnet 4 extension available to you. If an official extension isn't listed in your marketplace, you can still use Claude via the CLI and interact with it through the VS Code terminal. Now get API access. Sign into your Anthropic account, open the dashboard, generate an API key, and copy it securely. Treat this like a password. Don't share it and avoid checking it into source control. Configure the key in VS Code. If you're using the extension, open Settings, go to Extensions, find the Claude settings, and paste your key in the appropriate field. Alternatively, set an environment variable named Claude API key that contains your key. After setting it, open a fresh terminal inside VS Code so it's picked up automatically. Open your project in VS Code. You can do this from a terminal by running the code command with the path to your project or by using the file menu to open the folder. Open the Claude panel or terminal. With the extension, open the Claude sidebar to start a conversation. Using the CLI instead, open the integrated terminal and run the Claude command to begin. Start using Claude Sonnet 4 with practical prompts. Ask it to generate a React component for a login form style with Tailwind CSS and to explain each line. Have it review a Node.js API and suggest security improvements, or convert a Python script into an async version. Claude will reply directly in VS Code or in the terminal. For best results, provide context by selecting code, pasting relevant snippets, or referencing specific files. Leverage code actions if your extension supports inline help. Highlight some code, right-click, and choose Ask Claude to get suggestions, refactors, or new helper functions you can apply directly to your file. Optionally, enable an autopilot-style workflow. Some setups let Claude continuously analyze your code, autocomplete functions, suggest optimizations, and detect bugs.